Um, Joe, would love to hear from you. We heard about one of the key issues was the disparate data sources. Were those similar initiatives that led you to consider Incorta, or were there other things you were looking to solve?
Sure. No, absolutely. First off, Jim, kudos. I'm so happy to see that working on that project a year and a half ago. You guys have done great. Super excited to see that you're moving there and seeing the power of Incorta. Um, that's awesome. From my perspective, right? So I have probably, from an Incorta perspective, probably about 1,200 use cases under my belt now. So yes, there's that many, especially when you go into multiple departments. The challenge at Zeus was actually a little bit different. We took the company was basically Excel spreadsheets, Apex forms, Oracle reports that are 15 years old, just really weren't up to the date, weren't really allowed to take different parts of your ecosystem and put them together with different ancillary pieces of your source to holistically picture a view, right? What Incorta has allowed is the storytelling of data, and it allows you to do it effectively and fast. For example, one thing that my leadership, executive leadership, looks at every day is we do a leadership one sheet. And basically, this allows them to go look at ship revenue, booked orders, by promise dates, and all these things that leadership is looking at. Hey, is the manufacturing unit doing what they need to be doing? Is sales doing what they need to be doing? Right? And getting that at their fingertips is something they just weren't used to seeing before, right? They'd used to seeing, as Jim said, it'd go to somebody else, it would be manual, it'd be heavy. Now with the ability to ingest billions of records into a system like a data hub that then allows me to visualize and model this data in such a fast, effective way, it's giving one leadership visibility. Let's say they have a question, they want to know what's going on in booked revenue. That used to take 3 weeks. Now it takes about 3 clicks, right? So the disparity is actually in what data we have to put together here. And what we've been able to do is we've made Incorta a household name. You talk to anybody here, that is our platform of choice. So we have done so many things from a manufacturing standpoint around TEEP. If anyone's familiar with TEEP, that's a very big performance metric in manufacturing and how you manage off things. We look at productivity, we look at quality, we look at shipment analysis. One thing that we saw during COVID, right? You see, it took time to get things. So you start to see a different change in your buyers, right? Oh, I got to buy all this up. Well, you need the detail behind that to explain to folks. And one thing that's really great about Incorta is you start at the top, like when you saw what Jim showed. If you click, you can get as low as you need to go to answer the question without having to go ask 4 other people. That's really the power that we see at Zeus and the Incorta and how Incorta helps us.